Hello and welcome to Simply Learn Stuff. In this video, we will take a closer look to the numbers group. The numbers group has several command buttons, such as converting cells to currency, adding a percentage, a comma style thousand separator, or increasing or decreasing the amount of places after a decimal point. Within the drop-down menu on the numbers group, you have different formatting options, such as General, which does not have a specific format, adding number formatting, which will place two values after a decimal point, a currency formatting or accounting, the difference between the currency and the accounting formatting. In accounting, the currency symbol will be placed to the far left and the value to the far right, a short and long date option, formatting as time, percentage, fraction, or even scientific formats. You can also format the cells as text. In the drop-down menu, it also includes the More Number Formats option, which allows you to go into much more detail, such as choosing how you display negative and positive numbers, various different currency options that you can choose from, as well as even creating a custom format for your cells, which will be discussed in a future video. I trust you find this video useful, and remember to like and subscribe.